So, hey there, friends. I'm Janvi, and today we'll be doing national sports of countries. So, quickly join because we're gonna learn lots of new things and have fun. So, I'll wait 2 to 3 minutes. So, friends, let's start with our chapter. So, now, first, we'll read the question. Take the national sports of the following countries. So here it is written, some sports are national sports as established by the law of that country, whereas some others are popularly accepted as national sports. So now let's start with our first one, which is United States. So friends, tell in the comments what is the national sports of United States. Yes, you are right. It is baseball. The national sport of the United States is baseball. Now let's move on to our second one, which is Australia. Australia. Now, tell in the comments what is the national sports of Australia. Yes, friends, you are right. The national sports of Australia is cricket. Now, let's move on to the third one, which is Bhutan. Bhutan. So now, you tell what is the national sports of Bhutan in the comments below. So, yes, friends, you are right. The national sports of Bhutan is archery. It is archery. Now, let us move on to our fourth one, which is Norway. Norway. Now, what is the national sports of Norway? Do tell in the comments. Yes, friends, you are right. It is skiing. It is skiing. Now, let's move on to our fifth one, which is Scotland. Which is Scotland. So now, friends, you tell what is the national sports of Scotland? What is the national sports of Scotland? Yes, friends, you're right. It is golf. Now let's move on to our sixth one, which is New Zealand. New Zealand. So, you tell what is the national sports of New Zealand. What is the national sports of New Zealand? So, yes, friends, you are right. It is rugby. It is rugby. Now, thank you, magical moments. Now, let's move on to the seventh one, which is Japan. Which is Japan. So you tell friends what is the national sports of Japan? What is the national sports of Japan? So yes, friends, you are right. It is sumo wrestling. It is wrestling. Now let's move on to the eighth one, which is Mauritius. Which is Mauritius. So now let's So, Mauritius. So, the national sports of Mauritius is, yes, it is football. It is football. Now, let us move on to our ninth one, which is China. China. So, friends, tell what is the national sports of China? What is the national sports of China? So, yes, friends, you are right. It is table tennis. The national sports of China is table tennis. Now, let's move on to our 10th one, which is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. So, national sports of Sri Lanka is, yes, it is volleyball. Volleyball. Now, let's move on to our second last, which is 11th one, England. England. So, friends, tell what is the national sports of England? Yes, friends, you're right. It is cricket. So, friends, let's move on to our last one, which is Russia. Which is Russia. So now, let's tell the answer of the national sports of Russia. So friends, tell in the comments what would be the answer. What is the national sports of Russia? Yes, friends, you are right. It is ice hockey. So now let's just repeat our whole chapter again. Let's just revise. National sports of countries. Some sports are national sports as established by the law of that country, whereas some others are popularly accepted as national sports. Question. Tick the national sports of the following countries. So, first, United States, baseball. Second, Australia, cricket. Third, Bhutan, archery. Fourth, Norway, skiing. Fifth, Scotland, golf. Sixth, New Zealand, rugby. Seventh, Japan, sumo wrestling. So now, sixth, New Zealand, rugby. Seventh, Japan, sumo wrestling. Eighth, Mauritius, football. Ninth, China, table tennis. 10th, Sri Lanka, volleyball. 11th, England, cricket. 12th, Russia, ice hockey. So friends, we have revised our whole chapter, and now I hope you got to learn about the national sports of all of these countries, which are United States, Australia, Bhutan, Norway, Scotland, New Zealand, Japan, Mauritius, China, Sri Lanka, England and Russia. So now let me tell you, the national sports of India is hockey. The national sports of India is hockey. Let me write here as well. 13th, India, hockey. Okay. So the national sports of India is hockey. So now we have got to learn about 13 countries. What are their national sports? You do also comment in the comment box what is your favorite sports and what is your favorite country from these 13. So friends, I hope you like this video. Do stay tuned for more. Until then, it's me Janvi. Bye bye.